Birds are a diverse group of animals, with over 10,000 known species worldwide. They come in various sizes, shapes, colors, and have adapted to different habitats and ecological niches. In this article, we will explore some of the major types of birds based on their characteristics and classifications. Here are 100 types of birds, along with brief descriptions. Number 1. Bald eagle, a majestic raptor with a white head and dark body, known as a symbol of power and freedom. Number 2. American robin, a migratory songbird with a red-orange breast and a melodious song heard in gardens and woodlands. Number 3. Blue jay, a striking bird with vibrant blue feathers and a crest, known for its intelligence and raucous calls. Number 4. Northern cardinal, a brilliant red bird with a distinctive crest, known for its beautiful song. Number 5. Ruby-throated hummingbird, the smallest bird species in North America, with iridescent green feathers and a shimmering red throat. Number 6. American crow, a large, intelligent black bird known for its loud cawing calls and clever problem-solving abilities. Number 7. Common loon, a large diving bird with a haunting, echoing call and striking black and white plumage. Number 8. Snowy owl, a magnificent white owl with yellow eyes, well adapted to life in Arctic regions. Number 9. Peregrine falcon, the fastest bird in the world, capable of reaching speeds over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. Number 10. American goldfinch, a small yellow bird with black wings, often seen in gardens and fields. Number 11. Great blue heron, a tall wading bird with a long neck and legs, commonly seen near bodies of water. Number 12. Barn owl, a nocturnal bird with a heart-shaped face, known for its silent flight and hunting abilities. Number 13. Yellow warbler, a small, colorful songbird with bright yellow feathers and a melodic song. Number 14. Sandhill crane, a tall, graceful bird with a distinctive red patch on its forehead, known for its unique dancing courtship displays. Number 15. Baltimore oriole, a vibrant orange and black bird with a beautiful song, often seen in trees and shrubs. Number 16. Red-tailed hawk, a large hawk with reddish-brown feathers and a broad, rounded tail. Number 17. Osprey, a raptor with a wingspan of up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters, known for its ability to dive and catch fish. Number 18. Rose-breasted grosbeak, a striking songbird with black and white plumage and a rosy red breast. Number 19. Eastern bluebird, a small, colorful thrush with blue feathers and a cheerful song, often seen perched on fences and nest boxes. Number 20. White-throated sparrow, a medium-sized sparrow with a white throat and distinctive song that sounds like "Oh Sweet Canada Canada." Number 21. Killdeer, a medium-sized shorebird with brown and white plumage, known for its distinctive killdeer call. Number 22. Northern flicker, a woodpecker with brown plumage and a black crescent on its chest, often seen drumming on trees. Number 23. Hooded oriole, a yellow and black bird with a distinctive black mask, commonly found in the southwestern United States. Number 24. American kestrel, a small falcon with colorful plumage and a hovering hunting technique. Number 25. Purple martin, a social bird that nests in colonies and is known for its aerial acrobatics. Number 26. Belted kingfisher, a stocky bird with a shaggy crest, often seen perched near bodies of water, hunting fish. Number 27. Great horned owl, a large owl with prominent ear tufts and yellow eyes, known for its deep hooting calls. Number 28. Cactus wren, a desert-dwelling bird with a distinctive patterned plumage and a repertoire of complex songs. Number 29. Red-winged blackbird, a blackbird with red and yellow shoulder patches, often seen in wetlands and marshes. Number 30. American white pelican, a large bird with white plumage and a massive bill, known for its impressive wingspan and communal feeding behavior. Number 31. Western meadowlark, a bird with bright yellow underparts and a melodic, flute-like song heard in grasslands and prairies. Number 32. California quail, a plump, ground-dwelling bird with a striking patterned plumage and a distinctive chi-ciego call. Number 33. Pileated woodpecker, a large woodpecker with a red crest and a powerful drumming sound. Number 34. Western tanager, a colorful songbird with bright yellow plumage and a red head, often found in coniferous forests. Number 35. Black-capped chickadee, a small bird with a black cap and white cheeks, known for its cheerful calls and acrobatic behavior. Number 36. Canada goose, a large waterfowl species with a distinctive black neck and head, commonly seen in parks and lakes. Number 37. Common grackle, a large blackbird with iridescent feathers and a raucous, metallic call. Number 38. Barred owl, a medium-sized owl with brown and white barring on its plumage and a distinctive hooting call. Number 39. House finch, a small finch with a red or orange-red coloration on its head and breast, commonly seen at bird feeders. Number 40. Yellow-headed blackbird, a striking blackbird with bright yellow head and breast, often seen in marshes and wetlands. Number 41. Swainson's hawk, a large hawk with a brown plumage and a distinctive white throat patch. Number 42. Ruffed grouse, a medium-sized game bird with mottled brown plumage and a distinctive drumming sound produced by beating its wings. Number 43. Red-headed woodpecker, a medium-sized woodpecker with a striking red head and black and white plumage. Number 44. House sparrow, a small sparrow with gray and brown plumage, commonly found near human habitation. Number 45. Yellow-bellied sapsucker, a woodpecker with a black and white plumage and a yellow belly, known for drilling holes in trees to feed on sap. Number 46. American coot, a water bird with dark gray plumage, white bill, and distinctive lobed feet, often seen in marshes and ponds. Number 47. American widgeon, a medium-sized dabbling duck with a striking white patch on its wings and a green stripe on its head. Number 48. Downy woodpecker, a small woodpecker with black and white plumage and a drumming call, often seen on tree trunks. Number 49. Snow goose, a white goose with black wingtips, often seen in large flocks during migration. Number 50. California condor, a critically endangered bird with a wingspan of up to 10 feet, 3 meters, known for its scavenging habits and its role in conservation efforts. Number 51. Rock pigeon, a familiar bird found in urban areas, often seen perched on buildings and known for its distinctive cooing calls. Number 52. Northern mockingbird, a gray bird with white wing patches and an exceptional ability to mimic other bird songs and various sounds. Number 53. American avocet, a slender, long-legged shorebird with black and white plumage and a distinctive upward curved bill. Number 54. American bittern, a secretive wading bird with mottled brown plumage and a distinctive camouflage pattern. Number 55. Green heron, a small heron with greenish-brown plumage and a long neck, often seen near water, waiting to catch prey. Number 56. Herring gull, a large gull with gray and white plumage, commonly found near coastlines and bodies of water. Number 57. Chimney swift, a small, aerial insectivore with a cigar-shaped body and rapid, erratic flight pattern.